Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to the last day of Bunnies and Blooms mini-series. I'm sad for it to end, but we have a 3D project and it's an egg backpack. I'm so excited to share this with you. So I have a free SVG. It'll be linked below. So I'm going to show you how to assemble it. And I have two ways to assemble. One way is with a zipper and the other is without a zipper. So you start with the bottom. I did snip off three little tabs off, and you'll see that you don't have to do that. I'm going to fix that for you guys. So just be sure to glue the bottom right. So if you glue the bottom right, everything should come out right. These little tabs right here, the smaller ones, are for the zipper, or for if you're not going to do a zipper, I added a flap for you guys so you guys can use that. I did snip a little bit off, but you don't have to do that. You could just glue it and let it hang inside of the box. It's not required. Now I'm going to glue on the back. And be sure to use sturdy cardstock. This lavender here isn't sturdy. It's a 65 pound. I would recommend 80 or 110 pound, just so it could get really sturdy. I do show you a zipper backpack in the end, which I did use 80 pound from Amazon, but you could use the Hobby Lobby cardstock as well, the heavy duty one. That one would be awesome. So just take your time. Again, all the tabs are going to be on the inside of the egg backpack, and all of them will not be over the eggs. It'll be hidden. So once you've done the bottom portion, do the top flaps, the top sides. Do those one at a time. Again, this one right here, I'm showing you that you're going to have a closure, a flap to close it. Right here is, you wouldn't do this part if you're going to do a zipper. You would add the zipper first, then do this part. So, yeah, I'm using hot glue. I did mess up a little bit. It's not noticeable in the white one, but I would recommend you take your time, because this little thing, it is troublesome, and you will run into some problems if you try to rush it. So here is the flap here. That's the closure. For those who are not using a zipper, I know it's hard to sew a zipper onto, especially a miniature backpack like this, let alone a larger one. But anyways, this one is small, and it's going to be very tedious. Even I wasn't able to get it just right, Here is a faux pocket, so it doesn't open. You are able to make it into a usable pocket by adding some strips on the side with little notches on them, just like the sides of the backpack egg. You can make your own. I didn't do that in this one because it was such a small little tiny backpack. I could have, but I chose not to. It is the last day and I am running late, and I think after this I'm going to take a little break. I do have a few swaps that I have to take care of in a hop coming up, so I will be working on that. And if you guys want to see any type of series, let me know. Make suggestions. If a holiday's coming up, just reach out to me and say, hey, I'd like you to make a series on this. You can do that through Instagram. I do reply back faster on Instagram than I do on YouTube. So just send me a DM if you want a series of something. Yeah, I'm adding the straps here. I did cut this down to a 6-inch strap. The white backpack is even smaller, and so I'm gonna go ahead and cut that for you on the SVG file, so you guys don't have to worry about that. So there's the closure. I'm just showing you. I added some Velcro, and yeah, and then now you could decorate, put all the layers on Real quick, I want to let you Cricut users know that if you have any trouble, please visit Eileen's channel. She will be linked below. She has a video on how to use my SVG files with Cricut. We are going to head on to the next backpack, and the next backpack has a zipper on it. It's all decorated already for you so you can see how it would look. And so here it is. How cute is this egg backpack? It has a zipper on it. Again, take your time, you guys. Well, this concludes the video. I enjoyed this series and I'm gonna miss you guys. I enjoyed your comments. I enjoyed replying to you guys. I enjoyed everything. It was such a fun little series, and I think I will do it again next year. Hopefully, cross your fingers. Well, I will see you in the next video. Bye. I didn't say tomorrow. I'm crying.